Hey world, you know who it is, BirdJunior, simple rider. All knowing bird, simple rider, units. You know, we in here. You know, only certain people could throw that sign up. You gotta be born to throw that with a scar or you call it the organic tattoo. Before you gotta have it before you're born. You gotta come in the world with it to be elected. You know what I'm saying? Meaning because it's a tribe out there that's just for ones like me. See, I'm like infinity plus, and the plus is because every portrait every image moment you shed, and keep and proceed to pre-shed, I'm infinity to them too. So as you become an infinity, for every one of you that is being there, being that implicated like that, every one of y'all got to deal with me infinity time to the one you is. That's how all my sets, portions, and units are. I mean, set portions and selves are. That's that bow talk. See, they be trying, but you know, we witness, we smarter than that. Sometimes you got to use bow talk to speak lamb talk, because people will try to take a strand of what you're saying and use it against you. So you gotta be like, I can feed the blind, but I ain't finna feed nobody that's doing fine if they ain't grateful for it. You know, if they trying to take advantage of your spokes, that's like stealing your sin or your offspring. So when you talk, you gotta have protection for your statement and protection for your protection that's to your statement. You know, call it that bow talk. That's how we teach the lambs. As shepherds, we teach the lambs to be able to speak lamb talk. This all that was a part of Quavo off that lamb talk. You know, you gotta, because they'll come out the world mocking. They'll come into the world mocking you, but they don't know that they can be seriously tortured by doing that. So we use bow talk to allow them to have shortcomings, to be able to take their time to learn before